14 of 14 semifinals.
Here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, lesson 5.
All 4 of them off, all 4 of them clean. There's no hole shot in this case. Mead striking the ground. He's going to be the first one to go down, but get back up after this one. Looks like your leader currently going up the Inception Tower is going to be Bilster. Follow closely behind is Waffle. Oh, no, looks like...
It's Waffle with a bobble, but Waffle's back. It's Bilster, Mondo, Waffle, and Mead. 1, 2, 3, 4. The entire field separated by 5.5 seconds. 1 lap down. Still chasing Bilster.
Yeah, Bilster's still your 1 right now. It's really a battle for the 2 right now as we're going down the Inception Tower with Mondo. Just ahead of Waffle FPV. They go on to the final lap. Mead's still a little bit in the mix, but he's about a lap behind them still.
0.6 of a second in that battle for the 2 between Mondo and Waffle.
Bilster going up the Inception Tower. He's your leader going down right now. Oh no, lights out on Mondo. That's going to allow Bilster to take the win, and Waffle's going to come around. Oh, geez, did he make it through? Did he make it through? He's going to go back through just to double check. Holy cow. Waffle FPV struck the ground before the start finish, saved it. I don't know what quad he is running, but that right there was a perfect demonstration of a quad that can take a hit and finish a race. Holy, so it's going to be Bilster, then Waffle. We need to check that. It shows Mead up here, actually, as a matter of fact. Double check that.
Really? So commentators calling for DVR review. The finish between
Mead and Waffle.
1 and 3 on the DVR screen. Can you pull it up? Bilster won for sure.
We have to confirm second place right now. There's a chance, it looks like, according to our live time, it looks like Mead actually took second. But when I was watching it visually, it looked like Waffle made a mistake, came back around and took it. But we're going to do a bit of a DVR review. Mead's last lap was a fast one. It was an 18.36. We just need to make sure he didn't somehow trigger the lap timer on accident. So here we go. We're doing the DVR review right now. We're watching Waffle. We're watching Mead. We know Mead made a mistake early on, was able to take back off, and he was giving it all he had in the tank. There's
Waffle's mistake. Remember, Waffle made a bobble.
Well, that was early on, too. He made a bobble. So here they go. There's Waffle running in, I believe, second at the time. And there's Mead, second or third. Mead making a few mistakes there. And what's really going to be important is here at the finish. You can see there the DVR review taking place. So at this point in the race, there goes Waffle. He's ahead of Mead. He's got a pretty good lead on him as well. There goes Mead, though. He is sending it up that Inception Tower. Actually, sending it a little too hard. Getting past in lap traffic by Bilster, it looked like.
But you see Mead's in front of Waffle at this point right here. And boom.
Well, no, but that was, Mead was a lap back, though. He was a lap back. It looked like he was ahead of him visually, you're right. But he was actually a lap back in traffic, it looked like.
But that's the end of the race. Do you want to see it again? We can see that again. We can go back. Mead was a lap back.
That's what I was saying. He was a lap back. Waffle lapped him. Visually, Mead got back in front of him. But Waffle was a lap back. He crashed like 3 times in that race.
Hey, buddy. Just play it from the beginning.
Just play both from the beginning. I want to make sure this is right. I'm not trying to sound like I'm crazy. I just need to double check. I'm pretty sure Waffle finished second in that one. We're just going to watch it from the beginning. We just want to be sure there's money on the line here. We have pilots able to watch the DVR review as well. So here we go from the start. So there goes Mead's first crash. I'm going to count the amount of laps that each of them do on my fingers.
Do you have enough fingers? Do you have 6? Oh, you're going to use 2 hands.
Okay, so there we go. So right now, Waffle ahead of Mead. There's 1 lap for Waffle. There's 1 lap for Mead.
Right. There's Mead in a yaw spin of death.
It's going to be 2 laps for Waffle. Here comes Waffle. He's skidding the ground. He's about to come up on K-Mead. So there we go. So we're still on. So there is Waffles finishing his. Well, he's going to crash. So he's not through yet. K-Mead's done 2. It's 2 for 2. And then Waffle, there comes the third. So Waffle took second in that one. We just rewatched it. We just confirmed it. K-Mead's going to take third, finish 5th overall. Mondo going to finish out in 6th. I'm glad we double-checked that. It was good.
It was good.
Because our lap timer was not right about that. So.
Well, when he crashed out, he must have gone through the start-finish gate. I don't have the liberty of seeing the lap-by-lap data. So I'm just kind of going on a couple of things on the screen. So good call. You were right. So your final 4 is going to be